Hey, my name is Arthur, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. Well, folks, here we are, at the finish line. You've made it through all 8 videos, and your Woocommerce skills are looking sharp. Or at least sharper than when we started, right? Let's quickly recap the journey we've been on, just to make sure everything sticks. First, we built the foundation, setting up your shop like pros. Then, we got hands-on with products and inventory, because hey, you can't sell what you don't stock, right? From there, we navigated the tricky waters of shipping and delivery, because getting products to your customers shouldn't feel like launching a rocket to Mars. And then came the checkout process. Oh yes, we made sure your customers can glide through a seamless checkout, faster than a barista making your favourite coffee. After that, we dove into the numbers, analysing and optimising your store. Because growth doesn't just happen. You have to watch the trends, test things out, and then double down on what works. And of course, we couldn't forget customer management and support. After all, happy customers are returning customers, and that's the golden ticket, right? Finally, we wrapped up with some advanced Woocommerce techniques to give your store that extra edge, like secret moves in a video game. Trust me, your competitors won't know what hit them. So, what's next? Now, it's all about you. Get in there and put everything you've learned to the test. Build, tweak, optimize, maybe break a few things, because that's where the magic happens. Thanks for sticking with us on this journey. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge, and I can't wait to see what you create with Woocommerce. Now, go ahead and build that online empire, because we both know you're ready. And remember, in Woocommerce, the only limit is your creativity, and maybe your coffee supply. Let us know if there is any tutorial you would like us to create for Woocommerce, or any plugin that you want us to cover. Until next time,